our demonstration plant room, we have a chemical dosing system by ETATRON. This chemical dosing system is based on electromagnetic pumps and controllers, so these pumps have controllers built into them. This particular one is set up for pH correction and this one for chlorine. And the pump controllers underneath are connected by a cable to the probe. The probe sits in the flow cell and is secured in by a nut. Before the flow cell we have the pre-filter, and the water from the pool with the spa goes through the pre-filter to protect the probes and into the flow cell. The first part of the flow cell is the flow adjustment. There's a little silver bobbin which has to be kept in line with the mark on the front and the proximity sensor by adjusting the flow underneath. Unless that flow is correct through the flow cell, the pump controllers won't function. Once the water has been through the flow cell, it returns to the backwash tank or waste. Also on the flow cell we have a sample point for taking the samples to check the readings of the meters. It's important to take any samples from the flow cell and not from the pool or spa itself. This particular controller is set up for proportional dosing, which I'll show you now by disconnecting the probe. It's a 1/4 turn BNC plug, and we'll connect on our calibration meter, and I'll now turn the reading down and you'll hear the pump speed up the further we get away from the set point. This particular type of dosing is really useful if you have a small amount of water for a small pool or a spa, as you don't want too much chemical being dosed in one hit. That is the sort of standard setup for this equipment. We've been through the full setup of the chlorine probe in another video. If it can be any more help for you on the chlorine systems or any of the other systems, please don't hesitate to contact us.